Hey there everybody, I want to do a quick video on how to save money on PayPal fees by using eBay and their new managed payments feature. It's a great new feature. Before we jump in, just a quick reminder, if you like what you see here today, I hope you subscribe so that you never miss an episode. Lots of cool new videos coming out about wealth, passive income, lots of cool stuff. So thank you in advance. Okay, so if you're on eBay already, if you have an account on eBay and you're selling stuff, you may have gotten an email and the email says we've changed how you get paid. And now there's this new thing called eBay managed payments. And the big plus here is that you're going to not have to pay any more PayPal processing fees. Now, if you didn't get an email and you're saying, hey, wait a minute, I'd still like to be part of this, then you can just Google eBay registered payments, and you're going to get two results that come up depending on your location. But typically, if you're in North America, you're going to get the USA ebay.com page or the ebay.ca page if you're in Canada. And again, you can always Google eBay United Kingdom or eBay, whatever your country is, registered payments. The big positive for using the eBay managed payments is that you don't pay any more PayPal fees. And these can really add up. I've sold on eBay for years, and you sell a $100 item, so you're paying 10% eBay fees, but it's not really 10% eBay fees. It's like 13% because another 3% would get lopped off to go to PayPal. Sometimes it was even more if you get currency paid that's not your local currency. So like I'm Canadian, if I sold a US item and someone paid me in US funds, they would be even more than 3% sometimes. So it's 3%-ish. So it's like 13%. So this is a great way. 3% may not sound like a lot, but on a $100 or a $200 item, that can really add up. The one downside about the eBay managed payments process is that it takes 2 to 3 days for the payment to get into your bank. Again, it's not a huge deal if you're consistently selling things on eBay, but if you just sold a big item, it can kind of be annoying that you're waiting, as opposed to PayPal, where you get the money instantly in your PayPal account. So 2 to 3 days for payment is kind of a downside, but I can definitely live with that to save 3%. It's pretty easy to sign up for this eBay managed payments program. eBay basically syncs up with your bank account directly so that when you sell something on eBay, they just take their fee and they just plunk the money right into your bank account. So an important step here that gets missed once in a while, you want to make sure that you're signed up for any eBay emails that are coming out. And you do that by logging into eBay, going into the help account settings and notifications. And you can sign up for emails. Once you've been signed up for emails, you'll get an email that says, hey, would you like to be part of managed payments? So setting up the payment method is pretty easy. You go into your seller hub on eBay, and at the top you'll see overview, orders, listings. It's your basic seller hub. And there's a new sub-tab, and it's called payments, where the arrow's pointing. So you're going to click on payments, and in there you're going to see there's settings, and then you can change your bank account in there or add a bank account. And then you can also change the payout schedule. You can do it weekly or daily. Now, once you've done this, you'll get an email from eBay and it says, congratulations, your account's been activated. What eBay is going to do is make sure your account is valid. So they'll send like a couple pennies to your bank account and they'll make sure that it works, that your bank picks up the payment. So you want to make sure you enter in your banking info. eBay will confirm that, and then you're basically set up to go. So once it's all set up, you'll want to go back into eBay and just kind of double check that it's there. So to do this again, you go into My eBay, and then you'll go down to Selling, and then you'll go to Payments. So you'll see there's that seller hub, and it's got Overview, Orders, Listings, Marketing, Performance. Well, Payments is the new one. You'll click on Payments, and then you'll be able to see there's payouts down at the bottom. And you can see there I've got a payout set for $334.85, and it says completed, funds sent. I also get an email when that happens as well, and it says, hey, this is eBay, your payout is on the way, $334.85 is sent on December the 8th. And then sure enough, I check my bank account and the $334 is in there. So it's a very smooth system. What you want to do is basically sign up on eBay to receive emails. From there, you'll get an email from eBay, go in, set up your bank account in eBay, and then the third step will be when you make a sale. This is the part that's a bit confusing, is when you make a sale, you will not get a PayPal notification. You'll want to go to that tab in eBay that says payments, and you'll see your sale sitting in there. Hope you guys found this helpful and informative. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching. Please consider subscribing if you like what you saw so you never miss an episode. Thanks a lot, guys.